Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics and welcome back. So this is very important. Make sure you're clicking down in the link below and joining the Discord server because this came directly out of there. So I think last week's video we talked about how to handle doing math from input from the user. Well, the question was posed, well, how can you determine if it is a float or an int and going from there? So all right, so if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. So input, and we just enter a number. All right, and print x. Run this. 5, we get 5. But we're printing 5, but then we do a type on x. It's a string. So all right, then we go, okay, turn this into an int, run this again, 5, type 5, or type of x. There's also, let's just wrap this up because we know what it's going to be. There we go. Run this again. So each time we run it, we go ahead and, okay, so I get int. So then if I'm sitting here and I'm running this, I already got that there, and then I do 1.2 to float. But then if I start going here and then I have to start writing a if, then we have to do a test. Is it an integer? Is it a float? This is why the core developers are fantastic. So I want to show you this. If you've not seen the evaluate function, I will put that in the link down below, and also I think it goes here. Maybe it'll be right here. Yeah, I think YouTube still has that, a card right here for the evaluation. So how Python is so unbelievable, because what the evaluation function was designed to do is to take in a string and evaluate it, and it would understand that you want this to do some arithmetic, but it also will do this for you. It understands that that is an int and this is a float. So if you have a opportunity or a reason to be taking in integers or floats and you're taking input from user, so it's going to default to a string, and you don't want to have to write any ifs or else, or it's just like, I'm taking this in and I'm testing this string. This is already out there for us, and this is a perfect use case that there's going to be times where you're going to want, because if you get here, if I turn this to an int and then save and run, I type in 1.2, it is not going to work because it does not it's failing, or it'll chop off things and you won't have the information that you were wanting this to do. But this is a perfect use where I get 1.2, it's a float. I run this again and I pass in 2, and Python understands that that is an int. This is perfect. So I wanted, and this is the type of discussion, these are the type of questions that are coming out of the Discord. So I highly encourage you, if you're still at the beginnings of your journey, we are building a fantastic community. We have great moderators, a great admin who has created a very good channel. We're actually in the process, I think we're discussing, it's a pretty open community and supportive. We're actually going to make a new channel in there for polls, I think is what we're looking at now. But I highly encourage you to jump over there. You are not alone in this. So there we go. Real quick video today. Make sure you're watching until the end to check out these videos, because I doubt you have seen them all. because somebody asked me a question and I thought I had a video for it, and I did not. So that was actually last week's video, but we're getting closer and closer to an update on the progress of the things that I've been working on. But still lots of, when you're working with others, there are timelines, there are schedules, there are deadlines, and there are challenges. But thank you for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests, whatever we can do to help you guys. This channel is here for you. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.